Achieve this stunning concrete using ColorWave Concrete Paver Stain.
In iron gray color.
Step 1.
Surface preparation. Mix 4 ounces of Proclean degreaser with 1 gallon of water. Shake the gallon of degreaser until mixed. Pour into pressure washer soap tank. Pressure wash pavers with Proclean degreaser. Use a scrub brush to remove stubborn dirt. Mop up or use wet dry vac to pick up residue. Rinse surface with water until there's no more residue. Allow concrete to dry completely.
Step 2.
Preparation. Assemble the sprayer and remove all filters. Shake ColorWave before pouring in the sprayer.
Step 3.
Application. Spray to coats in circular motions with overlaps. Shake the sprayer from side to side often. Allow to dry 8 hours between coats.
Before. After. This is what it looks like when stained.
The color will pop when sealer is applied.
Step 4.
Seal and protect finish. Apply to thin coats of sealer. Wait 8 to 12 hours between coats.
Stained. Sealed. Wow, look at that color!